Welcome back to our channel! Today we are in Barcelona. So it's the first time for the guys. Hello guys! So how do you find Spain? It's so like Philippines.
So old.
So we're warm. Ayan, so this is our first day. We are staying at H10 Marina, Barcelona. Andito kami ngayon sa isang restaurant by the side of the street. Ayan, andyan talaga, literally yung kalsada. So ayan, we've got our starters. So we are going to try the padron peppers. And then, what is this called again?
Bomba.
Bomba. Bomba.
The expression bomba.
We are in Casa Cabo. Oh, sige, try. Sige nga, try.
Let's try the bowl. Oh, it's with an egg. I didn't egg. Charot!
Chismis.
I put this on the side kasi atong paella is...
it's potato and meat.
Try ba?
Sige daw, try. I think so.
Baka uning.
This is quite popular na tapa here.
Hindi niya halang.
No. Sige, try. Is it good?
We'll try this one.
Not bad. Not bad.
Again?
Not bad.
It's nice.
Good.
Yummy.
Sige, try daw na to ni.
Huwag na ilang lamisa din na iso.
Yan guys, so try natin. Padron peppers.
Nagulot ba siya?
Ha?
Pagpaak na ko ba? Natanaw ba yung bay?
Nagtanaw siya?
Kung ganahan mo na sa thumbs up. Malamig.
Abi na kumahal lang?
Dili.
Bitaw. Mga not bad.
It's not spicy. It's good, fresh.
One eternity later.
So, this is Parc Guell. Kailangan mo dito ng resistance and endurance. Ayan, so we're still in Parc Guell. It's very hot at the moment. So, good timing, babe. We are outdoors.
Daming tao.
Daming tao, guys. So, we are on top para makita natin yung view. The whole Parc Guell. Ayan, so souvenir earrings. Line yan, kasi may circle. Eto, ayan. Dito maganda ka picture. Ha?
One eternity later.
Kakapadong.
Sunset cruise, babe. 6:30 p.m. So, dito. Welcome aboard. Hi.
Sa kape.
So, we are just waiting na umandar yung boat for the sunset cruise. Good timing kasi may sunset. maalog yung maalog yung boat. Pero anyway,
Pero good.
okay lang ba? Pili ko sa nahilo ko very light. Pero so far,
So
maganda
weak.
naman. Yun nga lang. Kasi yung kami sa side na seats. Mas maganda sana kung andun sa net vision.
Standard kasi kapag iihi ka, diretso lang sa tubig.
Ayan, dinner for the night. Seafood, seafood. Ayan. So this is polpo, octopus. Ayan, assorted grilled seafood. Fried baby squid. And then, so 2 portions. Sangria, of course. Babe, how is it? Ayan, si Kuya, ang aming very good na waiter. Oh, is it good?
Yes, love, fabulous. Fabulous.
Ayan guys. Yung escalator nila, pang isang tao lang. Ayan, pang single, solo flight.
Pang single, so okay lang yung mga walang jowa.
Ayan, bawi na kami. Ayan. Single occupancy. Hi guys! We are just back in our hotel room now. So, nag-dinner lang kami sa labas as I've shown earlier sa previous clips. We had some seafood at Chipperone. At Chipperone in the marina. So that was after our sunset cruise. So it was really good. Tapos ang daming Pinoy. Oh my goodness. Na-meet naman si Kuya Albert. He was so kind and then gave us tips and advice how to tour Barcelona safely and then enjoyably. So anyway, guys, pahinga lang kami because tomorrow we are going to go to Sagrada Familia. I've never been inside, but I've been there before. So, it's just exciting, especially now that I'm with family. So, ayun. We'll see you on our next vlog. If you like this kind of videos and content, please let us know. Comment, like, subscribe, and of course, share this to everyone so that you can help our channel grow more. Thank you so much, guys. Good night. Bye.